Michael Newman is a driven architect, constantly striving for his boss's approval and a better life for his family. One day, he receives a magical remote control that lets him fast forward, pause, and skip parts of his life at will. But every skipped moment comes with a price. When he starts losing precious time with his loved ones, he realizes the true wealth lies in the present moment. The film blends humor, emotion, and a powerful life message to miss the most beautiful moments. Klik reminds us that life isn't meant to be fast-forwarded but fully lived. Every shortcut can become a detour away from what really matters. Sometimes we wish there was a life button. Skip the hard days. Fast forward to success. I wanted that too, but the movie Klik woke me up. When you press forward, you miss the moments that count. Children's laughter, a look from your partner, a call from your parents, and that never comes back. But there's another shortcut, the right one. Mentorship, a system, a community, your business, your growth, your moment. Don't look for shortcuts in life. Every moment counts. In the pursuit of control and accelerated success, we risk missing the most precious things. Time with loved ones, the joys of everyday life, and the moments that shape our true success. The film reminds us that perfection is in control, but in presence, that the most important things are often overlooked until it's too late, and that life isn't a fast-forward button, but a gift to be experienced. Pause, breathe in the moment, be here. That's the only real Klik to perfection.
A regular Derek Jeter right there.
Every night time